Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel Rivals FPS better. First, always update your graphics drivers to their newest version for optimal performance. Next, confirm your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements. Before playing, close all background applications like web browsers or chat programs. Finally, a quick computer restart can often free up valuable system resources, giving you a smoother gaming experience right from the start. Now, let's dive into the game's settings. Start by lowering your resolution. For example, try 1920 by 1080 if you're currently higher. Reduce the overall graphics quality preset from ultra to high or even medium. Disabling VSync can often boost your frame rate, though it might introduce screen tearing. Also, individually adjust settings like shadow quality and anti-aliasing to lower values for significant gains. Moving on to advanced system tweaks, activate Windows Game Mode to prioritize gaming resources. Change your power plan to high performance in your operating system settings for maximum power delivery. Regularly clear temporary files and cache from your system. This can free up valuable disk space and improve overall responsiveness. Also, keep an eye on your CPU and GPU temperatures to ensure they aren't overheating, which can cause performance drops. Finally, let's talk hardware and maintenance. If possible, upgrading your RAM to 16 GB or more can greatly enhance overall system and game performance. A more powerful graphics card is often the most impactful upgrade for higher frame rates. Ensure your PC has good airflow and is clean of dust to prevent overheating. Installing Marvel Rivals on a solid-state drive, or SSD, will also drastically reduce loading times, getting you into the action faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.